Hey guys, Hoxie the Jingle Fox here, and welcome to a video. And I know I haven't been uploading a lot of videos, and yeah, I got some good news. Okay, well, it's not. I don't only have 2 cats, but that's not actually my news. There's new in there as well, and I'm gonna make a new channel, but I don't know how to make a new one. So if you tell me in the comments, then me and Mum could look at that together. I don't know when she said, probably in the weekend or, something. And I'm having Lopez joining me for this video because it's our video. And yes, the thing is that my cats are getting YouTube channels, but they won't be out yet. I'll let you know when the channels are out, and if you want to see the channel, you have to type down Lopez, Nunu, and Rain or Rainbow. We're just gonna decide until Rainbow's name at the end, like short or all of it, or I might just say Lopez, Nunu, and Rainbow, or Lopez, Nunu, and Rain. So I'm gonna have a think about what the short name will be also. So yeah, I hope you are excited about that, because I sure am as well. Aren't you, Lopes? Lopez, are you excited? Oh yes, I love you too, my sweet kitty cat. Come over here. Isn't he so cute? Yes, he is. So yeah, I'm just getting annoyed with school and stuff, because it's like having maths, and sometimes at school I got muddled up with the work. It was between takeaway and add, because the signs are both different. So sometimes I keep forgetting, and I was wanted to work in the quiet room. So then I came out, and my teacher told me next time I'd done a good job, but I should probably work in the classroom to make sure I'm doing it all right. And yeah, I am just not happy. I am getting stressed out, and it's just not fair. Sorry, I am recording for a very long time, and yes, I'm just recording with a normal camera, by the way. I'm not recording with anything else. So yeah, have fun, and really tell me, because yeah. Anyway, so what was I making the video about? Well, this is gonna be me and Lopez's video, and actually I think I should do it about Lopez's new brush. So here it is. When I'm finished with it, sorry, my fingers are getting in the way. I put it back in here. And I'm going to read the packet for you guys. Only if Lopez could read, he could help me out. But Lopez can't read, so he can't really help me. So I'm going to read it to you guys, but not all of it. Okay, so it says brushing gently. Well, actually, it's all of my cats. It's all of my cats' brush. It's for all of them. It says borstellen, borstel. No, that's in a different language. Brushing gently. Brush your pets' fur in circular motion. Bathing wet pets' fur. Apply shampoo to the soon grooming using a circular motion message. The soon groom through wet fur rinse. Now, I don't actually bath Lopez. Like, I haven't actually bathed him before, but I just use it to brush his fur and keep it tidy. But the main one who I want to brush when I get older is Rainbow. And why? Why do I want to brush Rainbow? Well, because she has the longest fur, and when she gets a little bit older, it's going to start getting a little bit tangly and stuff. So the main one who I want to brush is Rainbow, because by the time she gets a teeny bit older, she's going to get very knotty fur. But I'm not starting yet. So yeah. Enjoy, and yes. You're gonna say bye, Lopes. You're gonna say bye. All I can do is rub his paw. Also, I had an accident with his cat teaser. I accidentally broke it, so I had to sellotape it. It's not all of the cats, it's just Lopez's. So, enjoy this video. So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, I'm the Fox. I'm Foxy the Jingle Fox. And I'm out. Bye, Jingies. And just remember about what I said in this video, okay? 'Cause, yeah, have fun. I hope you're looking forward to my cats having YouTube channels, and I decided this will be about Lopez's new brush, and, you know, the new brush, and for the cats, and the cat's YouTube channel. So my cat's YouTube channel will be coming out soon, and I decided the profile will be a picture of Lopez. What do you think, Lopez? I think that would be cool. You're going to say bye? Go on. No, he's too sleepy. Bye. Sorry, my fingers are getting away. Okay, bye.